Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today we will learn about the topic Ogive. Ogive, it is sometimes called as cumulative frequency polygon or cumulative frequency curve or sometimes cumulative frequency graph. Because this Ogive, the construction of Ogive, this graph of Ogive is based on cumulative frequency. Ogive, it is a graph based on cumulative frequency. Therefore, when the data is given and only simple frequency is given, तो फर्स्ट हमें वो सिंपल फ्रीक्वेंसी कन्वर्ट करना है क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी because this Ogive, it is based on cumulative frequency. और इसके दो मेथड्स हैं. There are two methods to convert simple frequency into cumulative frequency in the topic Ogive. Number one is less than method, and second one is more than method. And इंशाल्लाह आज हम सीखेंगे लेस देन मेथड. Less than method. This will be more clear when we will do some example. Let us suppose हमारे पास जो डेटा है, जो वेरिएबल है, वो है एज in years, 10 to 20 years, 20 to 30 years, 30 to 40 years, and last one is 40 to 50 years. Number of persons, that is the frequency of this variable. The variable is age. Suppose it is 8. For the age group 20 to 30 years, 10, 6, and 4. If you look at this data, अगर आप देखोगे यहाँ जो डेटा है हमारे पास, इसकी जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है वो है सिंपल फ्रीक्वेंसी. एंड दिस Ogive, it is based on cumulative frequency. अब हमें इस सिंपल फ्रीक्वेंसी को कन्वर्ट करना है क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी में. Solution. In the first column हम लेंगे वेरिएबल, सेकंड कॉलम में लेंगे हम फ्रीक्वेंसी, दैट इज नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स इन आवर एग्जांपल, और जो थर्ड कॉलम है इसमें हम कैलकुलेट करेंगे क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. Since we are applying less than method, therefore we will write in this column age less than. हमें यहाँ पे जो अपर लिमिट हर एक क्लास का, हर एक एज ग्रुप का हमें अपर लिमिट लिखना है. लेस देन 20, इसका जो अपर लिमिट है वो 30 है. नेक्स्ट कॉलम विल बी less than 30 years less than 40 years, and last one is 50, less than 50 years. और जो फ्रीक्वेंसी है सिंपल फ्रीक्वेंसी वो है 8 फॉर दिस एज ग्रुप. फॉर दिस less than 30 years it is 10, less than 40 years it is 6, and less than 50 years there are 4 persons whose age is less than 4 years. अब हमें कैलकुलेट करना है, अब हमें कन्वर्ट करना है दिस सिंपल फ्रीक्वेंसी को into cumulative frequency. How to convert simple frequency into cumulative frequency, इस पर मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको एक लेक्चर दिया है. I hope you have remembered that how to convert simple frequency into cumulative frequency. But if you do not have remembered that method, if you have caught, then be attentive. I am repeating this. The first value will be written as Sam, that is 8, and the next will be this 8. It will be added by the succeeding frequency, that is 10. 8 plus 10, it will be equal to 18, and this 18 will be added by this frequency, succeeding frequency. It will be equal to 24, and this 24 it will be added by this succeeding frequency. It will be equal to 28, and the last value of cumulative frequency, it should be equal to the sum total of these frequencies. 8 plus 10, 18, 18 plus 6, 24, 24 plus 4, it is equal to 28. You have to check this. The last value of cumulative frequency at the sum total of frequency. ये दोनों आपस में बराबर होना चाहिए. अब हमारे पास क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी है. अब हम कंस्ट्रक्ट कर सकते हैं ओजाइव और क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी पॉलीगन. We can call it. On vertical axis, we will take number of persons, but in terms of cumulative frequency. Number of persons, that is in terms of cumulative frequency. And on horizontal axis, we will take the values of variable, that is age in years. Age in years. Our lowest cumulative frequency is 8 and the highest is 28. I will start from, depending upon the space. I will write from 4 or I will write from 8, 12, and this will be little spare for driving this, so I will construct a new graph for this data. Vertical axis number of persons, but in terms of cumulative frequency, and on horizontal axis we take value of variable, that is age in years. Our age in years, that is less than 20, 30, less than 40, and less than 50. And the value of cumulative frequency, the lowest one is 8 and the highest one is 28. I will start from 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. If more space is available, we may start from 1 up to 28 or from 2 to 2, 4, 6 and so on up to 28. And you should use scale while drawing any graph or any diagram of a given data. Less than 20 years हमारे पास जो क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी है, द नंबर ऑफ पर्सन्स है, वो है 8. This is 8 here, and here this is the 20 years. Similarly, less than 30 years, उसमें जो number of persons है, that is 18. Those persons whose age is less than 20 years, वो है 8, और those जिनकी एज 30 साल से कम है वो है 10. और जो इस ग्रुप में आते हैं 8 पर्सन्स, इसका ये मतलब है कि उनकी भी एज कम है, लेस देन 30 years, बिकॉज दे हैव द एज लेस देन 20 years, मीन्स दे आर having the age less than 30 years. Therefore, the total will be 18. 8 plus 10, whose age is less than 30 years, containing the persons 10 and 8 whose age is less than 20 years. Therefore, those having the age less than 30 years, they are 18. This is the 30 year. This is the age, showing age 30 years, and it is 18, means between this 16 and 20. If you will make the use of scale, you will draw it on the exact point. This is 8, this is 18. Our next point is persons whose age is less than 40 years. इसमें सब आएंगे, less than 20 years वाले भी, less than 30 years and less than 40 years, because already fall in this group less than 40 years. That is 8 plus 10 plus 6, that is equal to 24. 24 is here, and this is the 24, and here it is 40 years, less than 40 years. Here it will be. And our last one is less than 50 years. इस एज ग्रुप में लेस देन 50 years इसमें सब आएंगे, because these 8% their age is less than 20, 10% their age is less than 30 years, 6% their age is 40 years, and 4% their age is less than 50 years. Means all these will follow less than 50 years. हर एक उम्र कम है less than 50 years. Therefore, when all these will be added, we will get 8, 18, 24, and last one will be 28. That's 24 plus 4, because 24 their age is less than 40 years, and this means that these 24% their age is also less than 50 years, because their age is less than 40 years means their age is also less than 50 years. And when there are other 4% whose age is less than 50 years, therefore it will become equal 24 plus this 4, 28 years. And our next value will be 28. This will be here, this one, and on horizontal axis it shows age less than 50 years, this one. Now when we join these pointers, we will get a cumulative frequency curve, cumulative frequency polygon, or we can say Ogive in case of less than. Now we will get an Ogive curve in case of less than method. Now join these pointers. This is the Ogive, this is the cumulative frequency polygon, which is upward sloping. Because in case of less than method, we are adding the simple frequency. This is how we can construct Ogive in case of less than method. Inshallah, our next lecture will be on more than method. I hope you have got it, and you will do more examples on this topic at our home. Thanks.